You think $100 a month doesn't matter. It doesn't pay rent. It doesn't impress anyone. It barely moves your bank app. So your brain labels it as optional, temporary, skippable. And that one assumption quietly decides whether you ever build real wealth. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your first $100 a month isn't about the money. It's about who's in control. When you can consistently move $100 every month from your checking account into anything productive, you've crossed an invisible line most people never do. Because right now, most Americans are stuck in what I call reaction mode. Money comes in, bills attack it, life takes the rest. Whatever's left, that's savings, which is usually nothing. When you say, "I'll start investing when I have more money," what you're really saying is, "I'm waiting for life to get cheaper." Spoiler, it doesn't. That first $100 is proof of something rare. It means your life didn't consume everything you earned. And that's huge. Now let's talk math. Simple, boring, powerful math. If you invest $100 a month at a normal 7% return, in 10 years, that's about $17,000. Cool. Not life-changing. That $100 quietly becomes $300, then $500. Then one day you look up and realize your money is working harder than you are. And that doesn't happen because you're smart. It happens because you started small and didn't stop. Meanwhile, the system loves people who wait. Because while you're waiting for enough, inflation is eating your cash, banks are selling you debt, and your future self is paying full price. This is why the first $100 matters more than the next 1,000. It builds the habit, the identity, the muscle. You stop asking, "Can I afford this?" and start asking, "Does this move me forward?" Money stops being survival. It becomes strategy. So no, $100 a month won't make you rich, but it proves you're no longer stuck. And once you escape that, the system has a much harder time pulling you back in. That's the real win.